How many of you were here last year? Quite a few of you. You saw us come with the Ratchet Sockets, that's 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, 3/8 drive. We did a lot of cool things with this, and the reason is because we went out and worked with your users or your viewers, and noticed one thing common about every socket. Everyone loses that 10mm socket. We talked to the users and said, hey, how can you prevent me from losing this? We worked with engineering and went back to basic geometry and figured out that round things like sockets roll away. We came up with our 4 flat side sockets a year ago, and they've been overwhelmingly successful. Why? Because it eliminates that one thing, the rolling away socket, right? If I were to put that there, it'd be all the way over in pack out already. Not only does it not roll away, but it also doubles for to be wrench ready. Car engines are getting a lot tighter, a lot smaller, so you're more restricted with space. Having the wrench ready 4 flat sides on there allows you to put a wrench on there or a pair of pliers to really get in there and get the job done without taking everything apart. So I told you we released a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive last year. This year we're very excited to launch our 1/2 inch drive ratchet and socket sets. So they'll be available metric, SAE, and both the combination set, as well as our breaker bars. So we'll have a 24 inch and a 15 inch for those really stubborn fasteners. Last night we got some questions from quite a few users that, hey, I lost my socket, how can I buy it? We've heard this from your viewers, from you guys, from distributors, from a bunch of our users that they want our open stock. So later this year, you'll see us roll out a full open stock program where we will have over 200 SKUs on the ratchet socket sets and combination wrenches. There's a ton of opportunity in this space, and we are just getting started. 2 other things that you guys see here is our steel storage. We got into this about 3 years ago, and it's been very, very successful. Why? Because we look at the things that you guys are doing, and we figure out the struggles. I had a few of you come up to me and say, hey, I use that plastic version of this cart. I put a lot of heavy weight on the bottom, but it is a pain to get that 50, 100-pound pack out of the bottom. Why? Because it's a very awkward movement. You got to go down and rotate. So we put a sliding drawer on the bottom for those really heavy products like a core drill or pack out loader with a ton of material. So that's a really great thing. It's got the full steel frame, locking drawers here, and then a few customizable runners like this modular cup. Load it up with fittings if you want to, but if you've got a longer tool like a broom or a long pry bar, you can go all the way through and use that space and not have to modify it yourself. We've also got the 36-inch high-capacity steel storage unit, 18-gauge steel, and it's got 22-inch drawers. A lot of our old ones have 18-inch. There's been a demand, but hey, I want to still store more, so we're doing that with this really nice steel storage unit here. Soft side closes or soft closed drawers like you guys have come to know, love. It's got the cream soda opener on the side and the bumpers as well. So cream soda, you never know what it is.
Milwaukee is beer.
Yep, that's true. But that's rolling out now, and so is that. And then the 1/2 inch drive will be out in October.
So now if you lose those 10mm sockets, you can reorder those and have those shipped out to you. The toolbox and top hutch here are all available now. Also the service carts, the roll carts now are available in stores now. All the rest will be coming out in October.